Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I performing routine brake job on this 2017 Toyota Tacoma. It's a SR5 4-wheel drive, and this one is known on this channel. When I disclosed the mileage last time, you guys were wondering how come that person put so many miles on it. What he's doing, we shared he's the birder. He's following birds, so he drives a lot. And today he has on it 180,000 miles on this Taco. So he drives a lot, obviously, and of course that means he will need more maintenance. I'm doing a front brake job, and I would like to share a few things about it and something I even learned today from Toyota. So he was at the tire company doing who knows what, maybe getting new tires. The thread looks super deep, and they said, hey, your front brake job is coming. So I removed the tire and I confirmed, yes, they were right. Look at that. If you look on the thickness, especially the outer brake pad, hopefully you can see it correctly. Everything is in the zoom, in the focus, I meant. So if you look at it, yes, they were not trying to upsell him for no reason. These brake pads are totally worn and they should be replaced. So he got the quote for that. And of course these tire companies, they want to get rid of your OEM rotors and give you something of theirs, so they can make a sale, make money on the parts. I believe you will clearly agree with me. When I will measure the minimum thickness, we will be way in spec. Will be barely anything missing from the thickness of that rotor. The rotor is not damaged whatsoever. The lip is minimal, almost non-existent. I cannot feel it. So I already know the rotor is great, and I will save him a lot of money, and I will explain that. While using my brake light, I will turn them to the absolute perfection, and he will know he's still using OEM Toyota brake rotors. So if he didn't know about me, he's my friend, so he will obviously always bring the truck here. If he just gave him the green light when he was there, they quoted him complete job with tax here in California, $660. He will pay today at my shop exactly half. I will charge him $330 for resurfacing his rotors, keeping it, replacing brake pads, and the brake pads will be the most expensive aftermarket I found. Obviously fully ceramic. I already shared in different video with you this new product which is being sold by O'Reilly. These are super high-end ceramic pads. You can even see the packaging. It's just crazy how fancy they make it. I show it to you already in different videos. So this is what he's getting. And now why you are, Peter, not using Toyota? Well, I called Toyota. And that's the learning situation from them today. So, my friendly, let's put it this way, friendly parts guy at local Toyota dealer. He's always professional and great. I love him. He explained, and this is the learning for me even today. He said, yes, you remember correctly. There were pads, the brake pads for these trucks, which were roughly 70. And that's what I wanted by today. He said Toyota had problems with it. The OEM fitment is fully ceramic brake pads. And they had the choices. You could buy the fully ceramic and also maybe semi-ceramic. That was around at $65, $66, $70 for the front brake pads. However, they had the problems with a squeaking. There was that annoying occasional squeak from those. Maybe it was collecting dust or some particle of sand in it. Who knows? I don't know exactly the details. So he said, hey, they got rid of it. Your option today, because I called him, I want to buy it from Toyota dealer. Your option is $120. I said, well, I really want it. Put the OEM, but it's way too crazy. The brake pads I'll show you, which I know they are really good, from O'Reilly, are $60 basically. So it's a half price. So I will go ahead, perfectly resurface those rotors. Make sure I'm taking only minimal amount. They will be like new. I will put these fully ceramic brake pads, aftermarket, sorry. And I know the truck will be perfect and it will handle the huge amounts of driving what this owner does. What do you think about it? Please share that in the comments underneath the video. So I want to share with you what I have learned from the Toyota parts department today. I hope you find this video helpful and interesting, and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.